Welcome to the Near Visual Acuity Screening tutorial. In this short video, we will review the purpose for this type of screening, the tools used, and how it is implemented with children of various age groups. The purpose of a near visual acuity screening is to determine whether a child has difficulty seeing up-close items. These are typically objects within 16 inches, such as books, computer screens, or toys. Vision screening tools for near visual acuity include near visual acuity charts, most will include a measurement instrument, and occluders. The tools and equipment used are similar to those in distance visual acuity screening. Here, we use smaller versions of the acuity charts, LEA or Sloan. Each kit should include reusable and disposable occluders. Remember to disinfect the reusable ones after each child. Ensure that the child is comfortable with the alphabet before using the Sloan chart. First, the screener and the child will sit across from one another in chairs. Ensure that the child is 16 inches away from the chart by using a measurement tool. Use the measuring device that comes with the chart to measure the appropriate distance from the child's eye. Next, you will screen both eyes with no occluder. In addition to providing a measurement of the child's vision as a whole, this also provides the child with the low-stakes opportunity to acclimate to using the chart. It also allows the screener to make any necessary adjustments, such as switching to an LEA chart. Begin screening the right eye by having the child place the occluder over their left eye. Using a pointer or your finger, direct them to the line they will read. The child may need assistance with proper use of the occluder. Ensure that the eye is completely covered and that the child is not attempting to lean forward or peek around the occluder. If the child is having issues holding the occluder in a consistent or correct way, consider changing to a stick-on or flip-up glasses option. Repeat the process on the left eye. For a Sloan letters chart, you will record the last line where the child identified 3 of the 5 letters correctly. For the LEA symbols chart, you will record the last line where the child identified 3 of the 5 optotypes correctly. This number will be recorded as a fraction with the distance as the top number. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, if using an LEA symbols chart, each child must identify 3 of the 5 symbols on the following lines to be considered passing. Children 3 years of age, 2050 line, children 4 years of age, 2040 line, children 5 years and older, 2032 line. Children 5 years and older should be tested using a Sloan chart. They must identify 3 of the 5 letters on the 2032 line. A child who does not pass the first vision screening should be rescreened. This occurs at the discretion of the screener. If the child does not pass the rescreen, they should be referred to an eye care professional for further examination. A child with near vision difficulties will have issues seeing objects that are close up, objects which they will interact with daily. Conducting an accurate near vision screening will enable these children to have the interventions they need as soon as possible.